F integral cos theta divided by 5 plus 7 sin theta minus 2 cos square theta d theta equal to a into log modulus of b theta to the base e plus c, then b of theta by a is two sin theta plus 1 by sin theta plus 3 2 sin theta plus 1 divided by 5 into sin theta plus 3 5 into sin theta plus 3 2 into sin theta plus 1 5 into 2 sin theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus 3. Let's t equals sin theta dt cos theta d theta dt by 5 plus 70 minus 2t squared we can write I equal to, before that cos theta divided by 5 plus sin theta minus 2 into 1 minus sin square theta into d theta, cos theta divided by 5 plus 7 sin theta minus 2 plus 2 sin square theta d theta, cos theta divided by 2 sin square theta plus 7 sin theta plus 3. So you take t equal to sin theta dt equal to cos theta d theta dt by 2t squared plus 70 plus 3. 2 into t square plus 7 by 2 into t plus 3 by 2. 2 into t plus 7 by 4 the whole square minus 49 by 16 plus 3 by 2. T plus 7 by 4 whole square minus 25 by, if you take LCM 8 times, so minus 25 by 16. So 2 into t plus 7 by 4 the whole square minus 5 by 4 the whole square. So I equal to dt by 2 into t plus 7 by 4 square minus 5 by 4 the whole square. One by 2 1 by 2 into 1 by 2a, that is 5 by 4 log t plus 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4 by t plus 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4 plus c. The dx by x square minus a square equal to 1 by 2a log modulus x minus a x plus a plus c. 2 to 4 cancel. 1 by 5 log t plus 7 minus by 2 plus 1 by 2 t plus 3 plus c. One by 5 log 2t plus 1 by 2 into t plus 3 plus c. 1 by 5 log, for t we have taken sin theta, 2 sin theta plus 1 by 2 into two sin theta plus 1 divided by 2 into sin theta plus 3. So this is I, a into log of modulus of, this is given, therefore comparing a equal to 1 by 5, b equal to 2 sin theta plus 1 by 2 into sin theta plus 3. So b of theta by a equal to two sin theta plus 1 by 2 of sin theta plus 3 divided by a, that is 1 by 5. 5 into 2 sin theta plus 1 2 into sin theta plus 3. So this is correct. We cannot find any one of the option from this term. To get the option, we can do one thing. That here whole term I equal to 1 by 5 log 2 sin theta plus 1 by sin theta plus 3 minus 1 by 5. To eliminate 2, it can be subtracted. 1 by 5 into log 2 plus c. You can combine this as a constant. Then the original option is this, but we are unable to find the option. So at given options we can modify. If we eliminate 2 with the step, here b takes the value 2 sin theta plus 1 by sin theta plus 3. So this is option. So based on options we can make arrangement of constants. So next question. If f of x minus 4 divided by x plus 2 equal to 2x plus 1, x belongs to r minus or equal to 1 comma 1 comma minus 2 or minus 1 comma minus 2. Then integral is equal to into log e 1 minus x minus 3x plus c, option B, minus 12 log 1 minus x minus 3x plus c minus 12 modulus of 1 minus x plus 3x plus c option D, 12 log modulus of 1 minus x to the base e three x plus c. X minus 4 by x plus 2 equal to y. X minus 4 equal to 2x plus 2y. Minus x minus 4 equal to minus x equal to 2y x minus xy plus 2y x minus xy equal to 4 plus 2y x into 1 minus y equal to 2y plus 4 x equal to 2y plus 4 by 1 minus y. So in place of this you substitute y, f of y equal to 2x. For this 2 into 2y plus 4 by plus 1. So f of y equal to 4y plus 8 plus 1 minus y by 1 minus y. 3y plus 9 by 1 minus y. Three into y plus 3 by 1 minus three into y minus 1 plus 4 by 1 minus y. So f of y equal to minus 3 plus 12 by, which implies f of x equal to minus 3 plus 12 by 1 minus x. So integral f of x dx is integral minus 3 plus 12 by 1 minus x into dx. Minus 3x plus 12 into 1 by minus 1 log 1 minus x plus c. So minus 12 log modulus of 1 minus x to the base e minus 3x plus c. Option B is correct. Del 2x plus 5 root of 7 minus 6x minus x square dx equal to a into 7 minus 6x plus x squared plus b into sinus of x plus 3 by 4 plus c. a comma b is equal to minus 2 comma minus 1, two comma minus 1, minus 2 comma 1, two comma 1. So I equal to 2x plus 5 divided by root of 7 minus 6x minus x squared. So 2x plus 5 a into minus 6 minus 2x plus b. Comparing x. Two equal to minus 2a, a equal to minus 1. X equal to 0 implies 5 equal to minus 6a plus b. 6 plus b, a equal to minus 1. So b equal to minus 1. Seven minus 6x minus x squared. Here we have 2x plus 5. If you differentiate minus 6 minus 2x, comparing x on both sides, here we have 2 minus 2a, a equal to minus 1. If you take x is 0, here 0, 5 minus 6a plus b. If a equal to minus 1 plus 6 plus b. So b equal to minus 1. Therefore, minus 1, here also minus 1. So I equal to, in place of 2x plus a, minus into minus 6 minus 2x minus 1 divided by root of 7 minus 6x minus x squared. Minus 6 minus 2x divided by root of 7 minus 6x minus x squared into dx minus 1 by root of 7 minus 6x minus x squared. So minus twice root of 7 minus 6x minus x squared minus I1. Since root f of x into f dash of x dx equal to so twice root f of x plus c. So I equal to minus 2 root of 7 minus 6x plus x squared minus I1. I1 equal to 1 by root of 7 minus 6x minus x squared into dx. 7 minus 6x minus x squared equal to minus into x squared plus 6x minus 7 minus into x plus 3 the whole squared minus 9 minus 7 minus of x plus 3 whole squared minus 16 4 squared minus x plus 3 whole squared. So I1 equal to integral 1 by root of 4 squared minus x plus whole squared into dx sin inverse of x plus 3 by 4 plus c into dx by root of a squared minus x squared equal to sinus of x by a. So in place of I1 we can write sinus of 4. Comparing these two, a equal to minus 2, b equal to minus 1. So a comma b minus 2 comma minus 1. Option A is correct.